In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text background color in FigJam. This is a simple trick, but it can make a big difference when you're organizing ideas, highlighting important notes, or making your boards easier to read. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to add a colored background behind your text so it really stands out. First, you'll want to start by creating a shape that will act as the background for your text. Look toward the bottom of your FigJam interface for the shape icon. This is usually where you'll find basic shapes like rectangles, circles, and other simple forms. Click on that shape icon and then choose a rectangle or any other shape you prefer. After selecting it, click and drag on your canvas to create a box. This box is going to be the area where your text will sit, so make it roughly the size you think you'll need. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect right away. You can always resize it later. Next, it's time to add your text. With your box in place, select the text tool or simply double-click inside the shape if FigJam allows direct text input. Type in whatever text you want to display. This could be a title, a label, or a short note. If your text doesn't quite fit, adjust the size of the box by dragging its edges, or change the font size so everything looks balanced and easy to read. The key is to make sure the text sits comfortably inside the shape, with a bit of padding around it so it doesn't feel cramped. Now, to turn that shape into a real background, look for the circle icon at the top of the interface. This icon usually represents the color controls or fill options. Click on that circle to open the color picker. This is where you can customize how your text background will look. Once the color panel is open, select the color you want for your background. You can go with a bright color to highlight important information or choose a softer tone for subtle emphasis. As you click different colors, you'll see the shape behind your text update in real time. When you're happy with how it looks, simply click away to close the color picker. And that's all you need to do. You've created a shape, added your text, and applied a background color, giving your FigJam board a clearer, more visually